Good evening. With coronavirus cases on the rise and businesses reopening, it is no surprise that some workers are starting to get infected. So should businesses tell the public when they have a positive case? News 13's Courtney Allen talked to the Department of Health. She is live at home this evening with those answers. Courtney?
Dean, at least 2 Albuquerque businesses recently had to deal with COVID cases. Mark Pardo Salon and Spa posted on Facebook Sunday that an individual at their Coors location tested positive for the virus. It's unclear if that person was an employee or a customer. They say all guests who were exposed have been contacted and the location remains closed while employees get tested. While they posted about it publicly, El Pinto, who had an infected employee, did not. El Pinto did call people who had reservations this past weekend to cancel, citing an infected employee, but News 13 did not see anything on their social media pages or website. Department of Health spokesperson David Morgan says it's ultimately up to individual businesses to decide if they want to announce.
We certainly understand the possibility of being forthright, actually scaring customers away. But also, sometimes honesty is the best policy.
While there is currently no requirement to announce publicly, Morgan says a restaurant is an example of a business he says should let the public know. He says it may not be necessary for somewhere like a bank where business is solely being conducted online or drive-through services with no personal contact. People around town say they think businesses have a responsibility to make infections known.
Businesses should be transparent, especially if they're going to, remain open and try to have customers coming in. I would want to know.
El Pinto tells News 13 they have followed all required COVID-safe practices and got all their employees tested, adding that everyone currently working there tested negative. News 13 also reached out to other local businesses about what their response would be. While many say they do have a plan in place if there is a COVID positive individual, they did not feel comfortable commenting further on the possibility of an infection. Back to you.
All right, Courtney, thank you. The Department of Health says when they know an employee is tested positive at a business, the state offers to deploy a rapid response team to get all of the employees there tested.